So you've got your new Jeep Gladiator JT, and man, it looks good. But those stock taillights, they're just really bland. Well, Oracle's got the perfect ingredient with their all-new flush mount lensless LED taillights. The Oracle Lighting flush mount taillights are a great addition to your Jeep Gladiator. They function just like your regular taillights, but with a few more tricks up their sleeve. These taillights offer a streamlined look that your stock taillights never could, and you better believe that they're bright. And the flush mount design means it fits closer to the body so it's less likely to get damaged out on the trail. Thanks to their unique modular design, you can easily paint the black housing to match your Jeep's color scheme, so they look like they were custom made for your ride. These LEDs put out over 4,400 lumens, so you might want to put on some sunglasses if for some reason you feel the need to look at them, but I wouldn't recommend that. And instead of normal reverse lights, you've got these really cool micro LED light bars, so you're sure to see exactly what you're about to run into. Because the last thing you want to do is damage your Jeep, or your house, or your neighbor. Another cool feature is the dynamic turn signal effect. It's an animated LED effect that's sure to get the attention of other drivers on or off the road. And when you're just out for a drive, you'll have the signature perimeter LED lighting to ensure you're visible, helping to ensure the safety of you and your passengers and everyone else around you. So if you want to add some spice to your Gladiator, check out the Oracle Lighting flush mount lensless LED taillights at oraclelights.com.